Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore some advanced feature of the Samsung and you'll love it for sure. So just go into the settings. So scroll down a little bit and a little further down, you'll see the advanced feature. So in that feature, we'll go into the motion and gesture. So that's the one option. When you just turn on that option, lift to wake, so whenever you just lift your phone, it will show you the display. That's a very cool feature. And this is the double tap to turn on your screen. Let's say we just turn on. When you double tap it, it will turn on. So if you want to just make the same thing with the double tap to turn off thing, so just turn on that thing. And let's try this. When you just tap on it, it'll turn. When you double tap, it will turn off. This is an amazing feature actually. So just let's say you're watching some movie or you're attending meeting, you don't want to touch your screen again and again, so just turn on that feature. You'll love it. So keep screen while viewing. So this will keep your screen turned on until you are looking at your screen. So alert when the phone is picked up or is going to be different, and the mute with the gesture. And this is also, let's say if you get the incoming call or alarm, you just put your hand and you can just mute the incoming call and alarm. And the last feature in this tap menu, you'll see the palm swipe to capture. So you can just palm swipe on your phone screen, you can take the screenshot. Thumbs up if you like that video and subscribe my channel for more. Thanks.